Newton Crouch Incorporated custom-built spreading equipment.
Hi, my name is John Crouch, and I have here with me is a Model 49 with a 540 PTO spinner drive. So this spreader has 540 PTO tractor spinners. It utilizes a dual double groove pulley here. In case the spinners ever get into bind there, it'll slip at the pulleys instead of destroy something at the back here. So as I mentioned earlier, this spreader is equipped with 540 PTO spinners. It has a dual gearbox here that'll turn the spinners, transfer the power. Here's the PTO shaft coming in into the dual gearbox. This spreader is equipped with the REV, the reversible wheel center option, meaning that the spreader can go between 60 and 72 inch wheel centers just by taking the tire off and spinning it around. This is a 16-inch conveyor spreader, which it can do lime. It's not the most ideal thing. The spreader is also equipped with a rate reduction kit, so it was real important to the fertilizer to be able to get down to really low rates of fertilizer, probably around 50 pounds to the acre. This spreader has an inboard third rate reduction kit, and by inboard we mean the reduction sprockets are towards the inside of the spreader. So this has a 12 to 54 for your straight rate fertilizer and a 2-to-1 ratio for your lime, for your high gear. Spreaders that are equipped with a gearbox that would power the spinners also have an external oil reservoir. So this is a gravity feed reservoir that makes sure that the gearbox always has the proper level of oil in it.
Visit our website, newtoncrouch.com, for equipment specifications and technical tips. Give us a call at 800-241-1350. Our sales representatives will be glad to discuss your specific needs. They can help you select the options and the equipment type that will give you the best value for your investment. When you call NCI, you will always speak with a person who will make sure your questions are answered. Proudly made in America, a family-owned business since 1940, Newton Crouch.